everyone and welcome back. So today we've come to Malvan Tadka, which is in Andheri East.
And we are on a food adventure to try out various dishes from this place. What's interesting to know is that they have fresh catch being served every day, so you get to make a selection from the variety of seafood that they have to offer. I'm visiting this place for the first time, so let me give you a quick tour of this restaurant as their interiors are quite stunning. They have two AC sections, one on the ground floor and the other one on the first floor, and it looks like this place can hold quite a large capacity of customers.
So I've shown you all the seating arrangement and the entire setup. Now let's head back to the table pronto. The moment we walked in, they served us this chilled sharbat, which is the kokum sharbat. Wow, that's a nice refreshing carbonated drink. So before you start with your meal, they've given this complimentary papad, and this is like a deep fried papad. They've also served this with chutney. There are two different kinds of chutney here. So in terms of the starter, our first dish has arrived, and this is the jittada fish. It's also known as barramundi, and it's a very famous fish of Goa. So it's called as chonak in Goa. Wow, just look at that. It's so warm. You can see all that steam escaping. This is nice and warm. Wonderful. This is perfectly grilled. Just look at the texture from outside. It has a good amount of spices. I really like the way this is being prepared. The tandoori masala is just amazing. Just check that out. Just check out how the juice and the oil is getting separated from this fish. I'm sure you guys are liking this video. So if you are liking this video, please click on hype button. So there's a new feature called hype, which is recently rolled out on YouTube. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, please click on hype. आप लोग सिर्फ वीडियोस देखते हो पर लाइक करना भूल जाते हो, तो लाइक भी कीजिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए. लेट्स ट्राई देयर ब्लूबेरी ड्रिफ्ट मॉकटेल. वाओ, इसमें ब्लूबेरी का क्रश डाला हुआ है. टेस्ट वाइज इज वंडरफुल. क्वाइट रिफ्रेशिंग ड्रिंक. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर इज द बेबी सुरमई तवा फ्राई. Let's go for this piece which has a good amount of masala on it. Wow. The masala that you see on top, this is the Malvani masala. It's nice, tangy and spicy. I think if you want to order something spicy, you can definitely try this out. As you can see, the fish is quite fresh. So my mom and dad are trying the surmai tawa fry. Mummy, कैसा है surmai?
surmai बढ़िया सा एकदम मसाला बरोबर ना बढ़िया से एकदम.
पापा, surmai tawa fry कैसे है? मालवनी मसाला गला.
मसाला एकदम
फर्स्ट क्लास है. Okay. Sir, spicy है?
हाँ, मध्यम.
So Malvan Tadka has various other outlets in Mumbai and outside Mumbai. Do comment and let me know which is the outlet that you have visited and what is it that you enjoyed the most. तो ये किचन में यहाँ पे ये मालवनी मसाला है, राइट?
हाँ.
ये मालवनी मसाला है.
हाँ.
और शेफ यहाँ पे ये अभी इसमें मिक्स करेंगे.
हाँ.
अच्छा, ये क्या प्याज और लहसुन है?
हाँ, लहसुन अदरक है, मिर्ची
अच्छा।
है, सैलेड है, ये बोम्बिल रवा का बॉलीवुड मसाला है,
ओके।
स्वीट है,
ओके
ये चिल्ली पेस्ट है,
ओके
ये घी रोस्ट है,
ओके
ये ग्रीन मसाला, ये सूखा के लिए दोनों यूज करते हैं, कोबरा, ये लपेटा मसाला है, ये क्रीम है।
Now next I've ordered for khapri pomfret, which is the stuffed one, and this is Malwani style pomfret. Wow, that is so aromatic. Lovely. So there are whole garlic pods on top which are deep fried and then used as garnishing. I can also see some curry leaves out here. They've gotten nice and crispy. Let's check that out. गर्मा गर्म है। ये फिश जो है इसे खापरी पॉम्फ्रेट बोलते हैं। इसे मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राई कर रही हूँ एंड आई रियली लव द टेस्ट। इसके ऊपर जो मसाला है ये मालवनी मसाला है, यहाँ पे देखिए, और इसको डीप फ्राई करके इसके ऊपर डाला हुआ है ये as a garnishing. I'm very inquisitive to know what is the stuffing used in this pomfret. Let's try it out. इसका जो स्टफिंग है ना, ये प्रॉन्स का स्टफिंग है एंड टेक्सचर वाइज जो है ना, जैसे चिकन कीमा होता है, मिन्स चिकन कीमा, इसका टेस्ट कुछ वैसा लग रहा है। There's no compromise in terms of quality. The fish that they've used and all the previous starters that we tried, everything was supreme in terms of quality. So I have the managing partner here. Hello sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
मोहन शेट्टी।
मोहन शेट्टी। मालवन तड़का का यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे आउटलेट्स है, राइट? मुंबई में और आउटसाइड मुंबई 22 ब्रांचेस। यहाँ पे सबको सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद है सी फूड में?
सी फूड में हमारा बोम्बिल रव फ्राई हॉट टेस्ट मतलब ज़्यादा जाते हैं, मछली बाजार।
Now next I've ordered for lobster butter garlic. So there are these pieces of lobster which is nicely stir fried and then it's added in some nice creamy sauce, it looks like. Let's go for this big bite. This lobster meat is like, it just melts in your mouth. The lobster meat is very yummy, it's very delicious. These are nice and fresh lobsters, and the sauce that you see here, this is white sauce. The taste that I'm getting here is more of garlic and butter, and they've also used good amount of cream in this dish. This is something very interesting, and they've used it as a garnishing. It's made of corn flour. Wow, the lobster meat is so creamy and so juicy. They've used good quality of lobster here. Next I'm going in for this Dilkush kebab. So this is the chicken kebab basically. Oh, I think this is like stuffed with cheese from inside. Oh, check that out. Check out all that cheese is just oozing out from this kebab. This chicken is so juicy and so succulent. इसमें से तंदूरी मसाले का बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर आ रहा है और चिकन बहुत अच्छे से पकाया हुआ है. Now let's try their emerald frost. इसमें कीवी और पाइनएप्पल का टेस्ट आ रहा है. It's nice. If I have to pick between the two, I would definitely go for this one. It's got a strong flavor of blueberry. मेरे चैनल पे बहुत से लोग कमेंट करते हैं और कहते हैं कि I should try the veg dishes as well. I'm going to try the paneer dish. So this is the paneer cheesy seekh kebab. Basically, this is nicely grilled. I think this paneer cheesy kebab is quite ordinary. It doesn't have any wow factor to it as compared to the other fish items that we've tried so far. But it's still a good option to try if you are a vegetarian. And I think there is pav in this. I'm not too sure. Maybe potato and pav is added and some crushed paneer as well. So here I have ordered for this gigantic seafood platter. So the seafood platter has a blend of Malwani, Tandoori and Chinese. I'm eager to try out this enormous platter in front of me. You can actually come here to try this platter with your family, friends and large group. तो मछली बाजार के साथ ये 3 अलग अलग तरह की चटनियाँ दी जाती हैं. तो ये देखिए, ये है ग्रीन कलर की चटनी. I think this is coriander and पुदीना. This is tomato and red chili, and the red chili taste is quite pungent. Wow. इसमें कोकोनट का और कैरी का टेस्ट आ रहा है, कच्चे आम का टेस्ट आ रहा है. दिस इज दी कोरिएंडर चटनी. कोरिएंडर और चिलीज का टेस्ट आ रहा है इसमें. इन सब में से मुझे ये चटनी बहुत पसंद आई. लेट्स ट्राई दी डीप फ्राइड बोम्बिल. Do you see that? The red color what you see, that's a nice coating which is applied on bombil and then it's deep fried. The fish is quite fresh. It's nice and white. Let's try the prawns कोली बड़ा. इसको चटनी के साथ खाते हैं. वाओ. इसमें अदरक, लहसुन और मसालों का बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त फ्लेवर है. I'm gonna try the prawns with the tandoori butter roti now. I'm gonna try the butter roti with the prawns tawa fried. Let's keep one onion, some chutney, also some green chutney. Now let's go for this bite. Wow, this is symphony. Check out that bite. I like how everything is compartmentalized in this platter. मतलब आपको अलग अलग ऑर्डर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इस स्टार्टर में सब कुछ आपको एक ही प्लेटर में मिल जाएगा. अलग टेस्ट, अलग टेक्सचर, अलग फ्लेवर, ये सब आपको इसी प्लेटर में मिलेगा. So this is basically pomfret which is made in green masala. I love the skin of that pomfret. मसाला इन दिस इज क्वाइट माइल्ड. इसमें कोई तेज़ मसाले यूज़ नहीं किए हैं. कोकोनट का और ग्रीन चिली का अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है. लेकिन Next, I'm gonna go for this one. So this is the Ravas tikka. Oh wow, it is so soft to the touch. Huh. Let's take a bite. It just melts in your mouth. It's almost like butter. The fish is very fresh. Now let's try the surmai. So this is also nicely pan fried, as you all would have seen in the kitchen. It's nice and white in color. So fresh. So my dad is gonna try the crab. कैसा है पापा?
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास.
बरा. My mom is trying the Ravas fish.
मस्त एकदम बरी असा टेस्टी असा एकदम.
Now I'm going in for that prawns butter garlic, and that's quite a large prawns. The size is quite big, so I'm going to cut this into half and try it. Wow, nice and creamy. Look at the texture. It just melts in your mouth. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video till here. If you have, then please click on like and subscribe to my channel as I keep making such vlogs. Now next I've ordered for crab, which is in Malwani masala. The crab is ready for the fight. In fact, if you see, the staff has just cracked open the shell, so it's not very difficult for you to break the shell. तो हमारे साथ यहाँ पे स्टाफ से आपका नाम क्या है?
जय.
जय. मिस्टर जय है. और यहाँ का जो खाना है, जनरली मालवनी खाना जो है वो थोड़ा स्पाइसी रहता है.
जी, मालवनी मसाला जो है मीडियम स्पाइसी रहता है ऑलरेडी.
आइस बकेट
और जैसा चाहिए, जैसे लो स्पाइसी चाहिए, मीडियम चाहिए, कम चाहिए, वैसा हम लोग करके.
अच्छा, ओके. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर आते हो या किसी भी आउटलेट को विजिट करते हो, मालवनी खाना है, जैसे इन्होंने बताया, थोड़ा सा हल्का स्पाइसी रहता है. और अगर आपको चाहिए, आपके टेस्ट के हिसाब से, प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से आप कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हो. वो आपको एडजस्ट करके उस हिसाब से बना के प्रिपेयर करके दे देंगे. दे हैव ऑल्सो गिवन दीज टूल्स इन केस इफ यू नीड देम. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फॉरेज ऑल द crab meat which is stuck inside here. Oh wow, this is so delicious. When you're having crab, you're supposed to make your hands messy, but I don't mind doing that. Wow. There's still so much of meat to go. Now next we've ordered for this rice bhakri, and these are 2 rice bhakris, and check out the size of the bhakri. And they've served this with fish curry. This is the silver fish curry. And this is the silver fish, as you can see out here. Let's try out the fish curry. So basically this is the Malwani fish curry, so I'm very excited to try it out. It's nice and spicy. Coconut का बहुत अच्छा flavor आ रहा है. And the red chilies are giving a nice punch to this gravy. And check out the gravy is nice and thick. Now next I'm gonna go in for this kombi vade, and just look at the gravy. So this is a combo basically. Just check that out. So there are 4 pieces of chicken that you get, and 4 vade. The vade is nice and soft. So the base of this vade is nice and thick, and the top layer, as you can see, it's very thin layer. ये कोमड़ी वड़े जो है ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। आई लव दी अरोमा दैट्स कमिंग थ्रू दिस। इसमें ना सौंफ और कोरिएंडर जो रहता है, कोरिएंडर का फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छे से आ रहा है इस वड़े से, और काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है टेक्सचर में। I'm gonna try this crab with the घावने. So this is the घावने. So ये जो है ये पूरा मालवनी स्टाइल प्रेपरेशन है, क्रैब इन मालवनी स्टाइल। और ये देखिए काफ़ी थिक ग्रेवी लग रही है मुझे। इसको ट्राई करते हैं इस घावने के साथ। और घावने भी यार काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है, ये देखिए पूरे जालीदार है। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ नेट एंड इट्स पेपर थिन। इसको एक्चुअली साउथ में नीर डोसा भी कहते हैं और महाराष्ट्र में यहाँ पर घावने कहते हैं इसको।
ये हवा का मसाला है।
Now next I'm going in for this Gosh Rogan Josh. आहा, क्या मजेदार ग्रेवी दिख रही है। Wow, it is so aromatic, and you'll see there's so much of rogan which is floating on top of this. I'm going to try it with the tandoori lachha paratha. Wow, the paratha is quite soft to the touch, and this is not from maida, this is from wheat flour. So ये एक हेल्दी ऑप्शन है, अगर आप लोग यहाँ पे आते हो तो व्हीट फ्लावर तंदूरी लच्छा पराठा ट्राई कर सकते हो। This is basically prepared in Malwani style, and it's a concoction of all hard spices put together. The cumin seeds, coriander, cloves, and there's black pepper as well. And good amount of red chilies are used in this. Next I've ordered for this paneer butter masala. So for all those who keep commenting on my channel and saying that I should try veg food as well, this one is for you. I'm going to try this out and tell you the taste of it. The paneer is very soft and very buttery. As you can see, the gravy is also in fact very smooth in terms of texture, but in terms of taste it's very mild. You can't compare it with the other Malwani dishes that we've tried. They were nice and spicy, but this is very mild in terms of spice. Now let's try the Maharashtrian famous Kolambi Bhat. Now this one is the tomato Kolambi Bhat. Wow, the tomato Kolambi Bhat is nice and greasy, and I can see some chunks of tomatoes here. और यहाँ पे ये प्रॉन्स भी मीडियम साइज के प्रॉन्स डाले हुए हैं. Let's try it out. वो बहुत गर्म है. They've used a good amount of onion and tomato in this, और इसके ऊपर जो गार्निशिंग की है वो कोरिएंडर लीव्स की है, और टेम्परिंग जो है वो करी लीव्स की टेम्परिंग दी गई है. द राइस इज क्वाइट एरोमेटिक. वाओ. इसमें हल्का सा गरम मसाला का टेस्ट आ रहा है, एंड आई थिंक देव एडेड सम मालवनी मसाला एज वेल इन दिस. मतलब खुशबू इतनी मज़ेदार है, आपका मन करेगा कि और खाते जाए और खाते जाए. सो फॉर डिज़र्ट आई हैव दी वनीला आइसक्रीम एंड गुलाब जामुन. गुलाब जामुन है वो काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है। और ये जो गुलाब जामुन है इट्स मेड इन हाउस इन देयर किचन। गर्मा गर्म गुलाब जामुन एंड नाइस चिल्ड आइसक्रीम is such a lovely combination. Now next I've ordered for a mango kulfi, and this one is the Sitapal kulfi. Oh, they've added chunks of Sitapal here. ये देखिए सीताफल के पीसेस डाले हुए हैं।
ये मेरा बेटा है सोहन शेट्टी, ये भी अभी इंटरेस्ट ले रहा है इसमें, बिजनेसमैन है।
और हाय सोहन, नाइस टू मीट यू।
And this is my dad. He's been taking care of Malvan Tarka. This project, it took us exactly a year to build, and now you can see it. This man has been working very hard, and seeing that has inspired me to come here to serve people, and I think that's what my purpose is. We also have a dish called the Machli Bazaar, which is the seafood platter. So that contains, you have bombil, raw fry, you have multiple fishes in that, surmai slice. There are 3 types of prawns that you will find. That is one dish that's the top selling here. So I would recommend Machli Bazaar. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video till here. If you have, then do click on like and subscribe to my channel as I keep making such vlogs. And yes, do let me know which are the other restaurants that I should visit. Until next time, bye-bye. Hello ma'am. Hello sir.
Hi.
I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It goes by the name Food Venture Folks. How do you find the food here?
Food is really very good, and this time we have tried for surmai thali
Okay.
and
Mutton thali.
Mutton thali. This is the second time I'm been coming here.
What would you like to recommend my viewers?
That kombri vade is too good.
Kumri Vade. Yes. Hey, hi. I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It goes by the name Food Venture Folks. I usually make food and travel related videos. How do you find food here?
It's really nice, especially for seafood lovers.
Okay. What is it that you've ordered?
We've ordered prawns koli vada, we've ordered prawns curry, we've ordered a whole surmai thali and rice bhakri.
Okay.
But the best thing was the rava fry. Yeah, Rava's rava fry was the best.
What do you feel about the quality, taste of food?
It's really good. It's not too spicy also. Yes. It's really flavorful. And it's our first time here. Everything that we've ordered is fish. We came here and
Okay.
it delivered.
Alright. So full marks, 10 on 10?
Yes, definitely.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It's called Food Venture Folks. How do you find food here at Malvan Tarka?
In fact, I just came here the first time,
Okay.
and I think the food is very good. And compared to this, Mahalakshmi, it's a little spicy.
Okay, you found it a bit spicy, is it? Alright.
Otherwise, it's very good.
How do you find the food here?
Yeah, food is good.
Okay.
Taste is authentic.
Alright.
Same Malvan it is.
How about the service?
Yeah, service is very good. But, since we are into lunch time, so we are in a bit hurry.
Okay.
So that's why we need some quick lunch.
Alright.
But much time
All-
compared. But that's food is tasty.
Food is tasty. Alright. Thank you.